everyone. If you have watched part 1 of this video, you may have seen that we would be doing this marble race. It's going to be so cool. We're going to be carrying these marbles that are in those couches over there, if you can see, and they have to make it all around the rails. If we find out that they have less than 6 marbles in their containers, they will lose and be out of the game.
Okay.
Whoever contains to have 6 marbles the whole time wins. Are you ready to see who wins?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's meet our competitors. But first, let's check out the track. Now it's time to meet our competitors. First, we've got Percy. We have Racing Percy. Now, next up, glow-in-the-dark Thomas. Now we have Diesel, like you may have seen in part 1. Here he is again, racing in part 2. Now let's go. First up, Racing Percy. On your marks, get set, go! You can do it. You can do it. No, not there. If you lose a marble, you're out. It's back to me. Oh dear, he's stuck. Let's help him. Dear, he lost a marble. He's now not going to the next race. Let's see. How many does he have? He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dear me, he lost one on the way because of that fall here you may have seen. 6, he only had 5, so he's out. Next up, glow-in-the-dark Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go. Dear. Same with him. But he lost. He's also out. Let's see how many he got. He lost 2, so how many did he leave? He left. He had 1, 2, 3, 4. Also out. Now we have Diesel, the last one. If he wins, he will be a winner for both parts. If he loses, we will make this smaller to 4 marbles. 3, 2, 1, go. What do you just have to do real quick? If you know the answer to that question I asked, just comment down below, or you just, or that other phone, then there. Okay, let's see here. He only has 5. He also lost 1. So bad. Now each engine. Now no one won. Now we are doubling this down to 4. Everyone's going down to 4 marbles in the truck. Okay? Let's go down to 4 marbles. Good. Again, Percy, let's go. If you can make it. Nope, not letting you derail this time. I like that section so you don't fall there again. Come on. You can do it, Percy. Oh, he was so close there. He would have fallen. But he just fell right at his destination. So, he passes. Good luck. You passed. Who else will make it? Next up, we have glow-in-the-dark Thomas. Let's go, Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go. Nope, not letting me do real game. Oh, come on. You're not losing those marbles this time. Oh, what? Oh, no, he lost all his marbles. Too bad. You're out. Last one, Diesel. If he wins, there would be a competition of 8 marbles between these two. If he gets this one. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, how many entries do you there? Comment that down below. And make sure to figure out why this is doing that. And if you find no the answer, comment down below too. Wow, that was a good one. You two are going. 8 marbles is now the goal you can carry. You should be able to carry 8.